Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is basically just this skeleton like Halloween look. Super last minute. I didn't go out and like buy anything for this. I kind of just had to wing it with what I had. I hope you guys really like it, and if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. So I started with one half of my face done already, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other half so you guys can see how I did it. You're gonna have your base on, so like right now I just have on like foundation and concealer, and then obviously my eyebrows are done. So I'm gonna start by doing my eyeshadow, the Naked Heat palette, and I'm just taking a blending brush and I'm going into the shade Cayenne, and I'm just putting that into my crease. Cause skeletons gotta be cute too, okay? We're not gonna be out here looking crazy. If we're gonna be dead, we're gonna be cute, alright? Okay, so next I'm getting a different blending brush just because I don't want to put black on the one that I just used. And I'm using my Juvia's Place Festival palette, going into this shade here. And I'm going to put that basically all over my eyelid, kind of like how it is on this eye. Well, exactly how it is on this eye. Low key, I feel like this look is cute if you only did it on half your face. Like if you beat one side of your face and then did that on half your face, especially since it's like a last minute look, like you don't even gotta do both sides. Like I feel like that's definitely a look. Okay, now I'm gonna grab this kind of like smaller brush. I'm using that same black color and just kind of like going on the lid just to get those parts that big brush could not get. Now I'm gonna use the same brush that I used the transition shade on, and I'm just gonna blend the two colors together. Oh my gosh, sometimes when I'm blending, my contacts move. Yo, and I open my eye and everything just be looking crazy, okay? Like, and it's the worst when I'm doing my makeup because then I can't see any details. Alright, so once that's blended out, I'm gonna use this little pencil brush and go into the black again and put it right underneath my eye. Then I'm going to take the same brush that I used to blend the black on my eyes, and I'm going to use it to blend underneath my eye. Alright, so now that my eyes are done, finally onto the fun part. So I'm using this paint that I got from Spirit. Super easy to find and super cheap. It's literally in your nearest Spirit Halloween store. They all open around this time of year. Definitely grab this because it is super helpful, especially if it's last minute. It's going to be pretty much the only thing that you have to go pick up. Everything else, like if you have eyeshadow palettes and stuff, you're set. And if you have glitter. If not, you can literally just use like white. Okay, so I'm gonna go into the black color and start to like outline my jaw. It doesn't matter if this is kind of messy, because we're gonna have a makeup wipe right next to us, all right? Just in case we need to clean anything up. So just in case we need it, it's there. Yeah, see, I already need it. I'm just gonna wipe that off. I'm like literally being so messy with this, but like it does not even matter. I'm kind of filling this in. I wasn't gonna do that now, but like I don't know, I just felt it, so I did it. Okay, so once those are done, I'm just kind of like filling this little area in. And I'm gonna take that same black brush that I was using to blend on my eyes and everything. This brush is gonna come in handy literally throughout the entire video, because you're gonna use it to blend out all of your black. So you kind of have to go back and forth between like the blending and the paint. I'm gonna add some more black paint. I'm using this for like the whole jaw part. So I'm kind of like outlining the corner parts now. So I kind of want there to be like a gap between the shading and the jaw. So I'm taking my makeup wipe and just cleaning that up. Okay, now I'm going to take my black eyeliner. This is the Precision Liquid Eyeliner from e.l.f. The one thing that I hate about this paint palette that I'm using is I just feel like it's not pigmented enough. Like, it's not black enough. Like, it's like grayish. It works so I kind of do, you know, this outline, but I'm going in with my eyeliner because my eyeliner is super black and I want there to be more, I guess, like definition. You see that? You see what I mean? Like, that's black, okay? So I'm kind of just using that to like color it in. And now I'm gonna take my handy dandy blending brush and basically just blend that. Now I'm gonna kind of get rid of like this shading in here, just because that's where the teeth are gonna go. So now that it's kind of like a little bit cleaner or whatever, I'm gonna put some eyeliner again, kind of like in the, oh my god, kind of like in between my lips, like how it is right here. Now I'm gonna add the line, so I'm literally just drawing like straight lines from the top to the bottom, and I'm gonna bring them a little bit past my lips, so like here. I want this last one, like at the very end of my lips, to connect with the top, this top line here. So I'm gonna try to like mess with it to make them like blend together kind of. So I'm gonna connect it from here and then blend it. And now I'm just, once again, taking my makeup wipe and cleaning it up. This is what I mean, like, you could literally do this stuff so sloppy and just fix it. Good for people like me, because I don't be knowing how to draw or anything on the first try, so. So it's kind of just like playing with the brushes and the colors and kind of like seeing where you want it to go. Okay, so now we're going back into our Juvia palette. I'm going to use this color right here. So I'm literally taking the back side of like this blush brush, going into the color. I'm going to tap it off because y'all know Juvia, their stuff is like super pigmented, so I'm going to be careful. So I'm literally just adding it to the corner areas, and then I'm going to like kind of outline everything with this color. Just because I want it to be like, I mean, we said we were going to be a cute skeleton, so I have to deliver my promise. All the skeletons are going to want us. I'm going to throw some right up in here, and now we're kind of like blending it into the black. Initially, I wanted this to be more of like a red, but it came out like pink, and I thought it was really cute anyway, so we just going to stick with the pink. So then I'm going to draw the rest of the teeth lines with my eyeliner, if I can freaking find it. So I'm just spacing them, and the top of it is going to be connected to this top line. So want me to have 1, 2, 3, 4, so I'm going to draw 4 on this side. Okay, and then I'm going to draw the line from my lip to go all the way through it. Okay, handy dandy blending brush. We're gonna blend that in because we don't want it to be like a line that just kind of like stops abruptly. We want it to like kind of blend into the rest. kind of like that. We're also gonna blend these into each other as well. Literally, this blending brush is my best freaking friend right now, okay? Like, she is not letting me down, and I just really appreciate it. So now I'm going back into this shade, literally just putting it everywhere, and I'm also putting it over these lines because I wanted to kind of like outline. It doesn't have to be super detailed, or else I'd be using a smaller brush. And boom. Now I'm gonna go back into the paint palette and I'm gonna use the white. And the thing about the white is like all these other colors get into it, so it's really not that white. So yeah, originally I was gonna just do the white, but it just wasn't working for me. So I ended up doing the white and then putting the glitter over top of it to make it look better, because this by itself wasn't doing it for me. So once you put the white down, you kind of want to also like blend it upwards a little bit. And then also blend it down on the bottom. And then I'm kind of like just taking my finger and like blending it in a little bit more because I don't want it to be so... Oh my gosh. Okay, so I had glitter in here and I just closed it like a dummy. Oh my gosh, I just got glitter all up in here. It's time for glitter anyway. I kind of just take my glitter. You can use any silver glitter. There we go. And I'm just kind of like pouring it into the top of this tray so that I have somewhere to grab from. I'm gonna have glitter on me for like until Thanksgiving. Now I'm using my Duo lash glue. And it's the one with the green letters on it because I like how it has this little like brush. And I'm going to put it over the white. So you know how we use the white and we kind of like blended it upwards on the top and blended it downwards on the bottom? I'm only putting it like actually on my lips for the glitter, like how it is on this side. This is like an invisible line. I'm not putting the glue below these squares. Alright, so now I'm taking a small little brush and dipping it into the glitter and literally tapping it right onto where I put the glue. Now I'm like kind of putting the brush back into the glitter and just like putting it all in this area. There's no glue here, so like whatever sticks, but I just kind of want it to be like a tiny little bit of glitter in this little area. I feel like I have all this going on down here. I kind of want something going on up here too. So I'm gonna go into this black again. I'm kind of gonna like create like indents on my forehead, kind of, if you know what I mean. So I'm going back into the black that has glitter all in it. I literally just messed up this whole palette. Whatever. Looks like I'm gonna have to use the eyeliner for this part because this paint palette is like not working, so. I'm gonna finish my nose. I literally just realized that my nose is still like half done. I'm gonna do some eyelash glue again and like put some glitter in here. Okay, so now I'm gonna just do the other side of my forehead. Alright, so I just threw on some lashes and this is pretty much the finished look. I hope you guys really liked it. I've never really done like a skeleton look before, so this is really different for me. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It would be greatly appreciated. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think and what other videos you want to see, and that is it. See you guys in the next one. Bye.